If you are encountering Parsec error codes 6023 or 6024, it typically means there's a network issue preventing the client and host from establishing a connection. The first thing you should try is restarting both your computer and router on both ends. This simple step often resolves temporary connectivity problems. If the issue persists, you'll need to check your firewall settings. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type Control Firewall CPL and press Enter. In the firewall settings, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then click Change Settings, locate Parsec in the list, and make sure both private and public checkboxes are enabled. Click OK to save. If you suspect the firewall is still the issue, you can temporarily disable it by selecting Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off in the sidebar. Just remember to re-enable it after testing to avoid security vulnerabilities. Another possible reason for the error is if your home network is using two routers. This is common if you've added a secondary router to improve Wi-Fi coverage. In such cases, ensure your device is connected directly to the primary router provided by your ISP. Alternatively, you can switch the secondary router to access point or bridge mode by looking up model-specific instructions online. For macOS Sequoia, Apple has added a new local network access permission. When prompted, click Allow to enable Parsec to communicate over your network. If you miss the prompt, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security Local Network and make sure Parsec is granted access. Restart the Parsec app after changing this setting. If all else fails, your internet connection might be behind a carrier-grade NAT/CNAT, which can prevent direct peer-to-peer connections. To check this, open the command prompt and run the command cmd/ktrassert 1.1.1.1. If you see any private IP ranges show in video in the traceroute output, it could mean you're behind CNAT. If both client and host are behind such networks, Parsec won't work properly. You can contact your ISP and request a public dynamic or static IP address, which is often free or low cost. If only one side has this issue, configuring port forwarding or using a DMZ setting on the router might be enough to establish a successful connection. By following these steps, you can usually eliminate error codes 6023 and 6024 and get Parsec running smoothly again.